Welcome back everyone to another video. In this video everyone, I will be upgrading the Spotties on my car. Right now I've got 2 on there, but I will be putting 4 on there, and I'll be putting them on a makeshift roof rack kind of thing, because right now I have bolts going to the top of the roof and it's not that safe and it could be very dangerous and yada 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 yada. Anyway, so what the plans are, I've got this bit of steel here. I'm gonna cut that down to length. Then I've got these makeshift brackets which I'm going to clean up. There's a second one here, I'm also going to clean that one up. I will also take these Spotties out and fill up the holes with silicone. Then I'm going to screw these to the side of the roof. And then the Spotties will go evenly spaced along the bit of steel. Tighten them up. And I'll screw the bit of steel on top of these brackets. So once all that is finished, all I need to do is solder it. And oh, it's already done. Yeah. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? So now I just need to cut a few things and solder a few things and we'll have light. Thanks everyone for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and smash the like one. Here is the final reveal for Spotties.